And today I'm going to change in my 2015 RTX the battery. The battery is dead, so I never done this before, and I just used the two when it's brush and this sucker wrench. So let's start to do it. First of all, we just do the elective first. Release. Okay, release. That a little bit too tight. Just use the. Okay. Make sure do elective first and push it away. Then we do positive side. This is the screw. Okay. Okay. Next. Just have to make sure it's I have two screws you can release. They have a hook at the bottom. Make sure. All right. Oops, too much dust. Okay, so make sure they don't collect with them. They're better out. A little bit heavy. You can stop. Right now I put in new battery. I bought from Costco. Only cost me like under the $100. So maybe connect with them. Pretty protect. Make sure they just do it tight, do the right size. Good, pretty good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty. It's hard to say because I have mask on, so my gloves. Anyway, let me see. So I just actually this put the safety hook on that. Just tie to both of the screw. Make sure they don't move. No, we did it. Okay, this is tight. Okay, then we just take it in. Off the cup. Clean a little bit if you have dirty. Put it back. Make sure put it completely on the bottom. Tight.